Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Concept Class. Today we'll dive into two very important parts of artificial intelligence, ethics and technology. We'll learn how AI systems should behave responsibly and then explore how AI, machine learning, and deep learning actually work. When we talk about AI ethics, we mean the moral principles that guide how AI should be developed and used. An ethical AI system must be fair, meaning it should not discriminate. It should be transparent, so that people understand how it works. And it should be accountable, meaning someone must take responsibility for its actions. I can make great things possible, but if not guided by ethics, it can also do harm. For example, artificial intelligence systems can spread false news or make unfair hiring decisions. They can even invade privacy or replace human jobs unfairly. That's why an ethical framework is essential to ensure AI supports human values and human safety. Just like humans follow moral principles, artificial intelligence too can be guided by ethical frameworks. Some systems follow rules. This is called deontological ethics. Some are judged by their outcomes, that's consequential ethics. And some focus on the intentions behind the design, that's virtue ethics. Together, these frameworks guide how we build responsible AI systems. One of the most important ethical frameworks is bioethics. It is widely used in the healthcare industry. For example, when an AI system helps doctors diagnose a disease, it must keep patient data private, be transparent about how it works, and ensure that decisions are fair and safe for all patients. That's what we mean by ethical AI in healthcare. Artificial intelligence, or AI, means designing machines that can think, learn, and act intelligently. For example, when your phone recognizes your face, or when Alexa or Siri responds to your voice, or when YouTube recommends a video, that's AI in action. Machine learning is a part of AI that focuses on making machines learn from experience. They study data, find patterns, and improve automatically. For example, your email filters spam or Netflix suggests shows you like, all through the power of machine learning. Deep learning goes one step further. It uses a complex network of layers called neural networks. These systems can analyze images, understand speech, and even drive cars. Deep learning helps AI handle more complicated tasks, just like our brain does. Now let's clearly understand the difference. Artificial intelligence is the broad umbrella. It covers everything related to intelligent behavior. Machine learning is a part of AI that learns from data. And deep learning is an advanced part of ML that mimics how the human brain works. You can think of it like this: AI is the parent, ML is the child, and DL is the grandchild. To understand AI better, we need to know some key data terms. Data are raw facts and figures. A data set is a collection of such data. An algorithm is like a recipe. It tells the computer what steps to take. After training on data, it becomes a model, which can make predictions. And finally, we use testing data to check how accurate that model really is. To summarize, artificial intelligence ethics ensures that technology remains fair, transparent, and safe. Bioethics protects human values in healthcare. Artificial intelligence helps machines think and act like humans. Machine learning helps them learn from data, and deep learning helps them think deeply using neural networks. All of this is possible only because of one thing: data. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed our journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more videos.